Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is accounting information system is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, followers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is accounting information system? An accounting information system or AIS is a system that a business uses to collect, store, manage, process, retrieve, and report its financial data. This data then be used by accountants, consultants, business analysts, managers, chief financial officers, or CFOs, auditors, regulators, and tax agencies. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on the definition or description of accounting information system. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.